Hi, it's Judy here. I've been following this story for a couple of weeks, well, just over a week or so, and this guy Enoch Crane, those of you who don't know who he is, right? But he's like against fracking, he's a political activist of sorts. But there's this couple who've, the gist of what I'm saying is there's a couple and they've come up with a cure for cancer. And they've jailed the lady, Thyle, her name is, and she's a biochemist, developed the process for producing GC-MAF cancer cure. She's currently incarcerated in Florida McGraw prison, and it's just shocking what corporations have done. We've just, people do not matter anymore, it's corporations that matter. So if you go and look at GC-MAF, this is what, I can't remember the guy's name, but Lynn and David were producing this stuff. And apparently they've had brilliant successes with it, curing cancers. Well, false cancer curing claims. Since around 2008, GC-MAF has been promoted as a cure for cancer, HIV, autism and other conditions. 3 out of 4 of the original studies, authored by Yamamoto, published between 2007 and 2009, were retracted by the scientific journals in which they were published in 2014, officially due to irregularities in the way ethical approval was granted. Retraction reasons also included methodological errors in the study, the integrity of the research conducted by Nobuto Yamamoto and colleagues that originally prompted claims regarding cancer and HIV has been questioned. As of 2014, an Israeli company called Efrenat was running a clinical trial of GC-MAF in people with various kinds of cancer at a hospital in Israel. As of December 2017, Efrenat had obtained an orphan designation from the FDA for use of GC-MAF in recurrent respiratory papillomatosis, and said that it was conducting a phase 1 trial in Israel. Look, this is the guy whose partner, Lynn Thyle, has been jailed, David Noakes. In 2015, the UK Medicines Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency closed a factory in Milton, Cambridgeshire, owned by David Noakes' company Immunobiotech, manufacturing GC-MAF for cancer treatment. In September 2018, Noakes pled guilty to manufacturing a medicinal product without a manufacturer's license, selling or supplying medicinal products without market authorization, and money laundering. So they thrown the book at him. But there's too many people saying that there's something in it for me to just believe it's bullshit. I can understand why Big Pharma is saying it's bullshit, but I'm from what I'm seeing from individual people is good. In August 2017, Snopes.com transparently documented a 20-year timeline of the scams and quackery surrounding GC-MAF, illustrating just how powerful profiteers can be when patients and scientists are desperate for a scientifically validated treatment. The ACF played a vital role in uncovering the truth behind this sham treatment. See, that's not saying that the treatment's a sham, it's saying that the people who were around it were shams. These slippery bastards, aren't they? Like what I was just reading beforehand on Wikipedia, why it was retracted from scientific publications extolling its values, and then years and years later they retract it. And the reasons given weren't directly, oh, it doesn't work and we proved it. It would just, oh well, we don't think the trials were done correctly. It's always technicalities. So, sorry, I'm just rolling the screen up and down here. 2 decades ago, stories began to surface about a so-called silver bullet for diseases ranging from cancer to HIV and autism, a protein called GC-MAF. Studies that proved GC-MAF's curative powers were conducted by unethical doctors, profiteering clinics and devious healthcare workers. Scammers even spun conspiracy theories in which non-existent doctors have been murdered because of their GC-MAF knowledge. Well, I don't know about that, but I know for sure that this lady's in jail right now because of it.
Well, good morning. This is Ian R. Crane, and it's the morning of Wednesday, 21st of August, 2019. And I'm back here on the edge of the East Lancashire moors.
That's where I'm
It's
from.
a fresh morning, very hazy, can't actually see Pendle Hill. But nonetheless, it was imperative that I took another break from taking a break, because sadly events continue to unfold, and particularly with regard to David Noakes and Lynn Thyle. And
that's David Noakes, the guy just reading about there, who got his factory shut down.
Is with deep regret that we now have learned that Lynn is incarcerated in Fleury Morovis prison, which is in fact, it's the largest prison in Europe.
They're curing people of cancer,
approximately 20
and they're fucking jailing them.
South of Paris. Now, we have tracked Lynn down thanks to contacts in France. I have to say that the British Embassy has basically been next to useless, and God forbid that anyone really needs the assistance of the British Embassy, because frankly the diplomatic corps is certainly not what it used to be.
Then days are gone.
I had some need to use the consulate service in Austria some 40 odd years ago, and I have to say they were absolutely brilliant. But here we are 40 years later in the early part of the 21st century, and we have idiots in the diplomatic corps, people who are not really interested in helping British citizens. So we have to resort to the contacts that we have within France to find Lynn's whereabouts. So I might have some difficulty actually pronouncing the address correctly, so I have already tweeted the address, and I will put the address under this this video. I've also put the address on Facebook. So please, if you have the opportunity, then take that time to write to Lynn, because in the time she was in Bronzefield, I learned that she received over 170 letters, and this not only lets the prison establishment know that there is extreme public interest in one of their inmates, but it also, of course, serves to fuel the soul and let Lynn know that